can't even see you. Come here. Oh my God, Caitlin.
What?
Hi. Say hi. Ow! Why are there mints? Taco Bell.
I'm only dying, you know.
Yeah.
So when this go in your mouth?
No.
No.
I ate it because it was like on my shirt.
I feel like kind of offended.
What?
I feel like I'm like,
You threw like 4 at me. Yes. I've been taking a video of that forever. YouTube. I have an account on that. Why are you chucking mints at me? What?
Right there.
I don't think they see me.
Oh, there's a car there.
That's
Mints for everybody!
Oh, I was gonna catch one.
That's Sophie Bob.
Do not throw mints at the truck. He will kill you.
Is some in the truck?
Yes. If they open the window. Okay, bye. Say bye.